Habits that burn belly fats. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Burning belly fat requires a combination of healthy habits that focus on both diet and exercise. Keep in mind that spot reduction, targeting fat loss from a specific area, is not very effective. Overall fat loss through a healthy lifestyle is the key. Here are some habits that can help you burn belly fat. Healthy diet. Balanced nutrition. Focus on a balanced diet that includes lean protein, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Portion control. Watch your portion sizes to avoid overeating, even with healthy foods. Limit processed foods. Minimize consumption of sugary snacks, refined grains, and processed foods high in trans fats and added sugars. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support metabolism and control appetite. Regular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise. Engage in regular aerobic exercises like running, brisk walking, swimming, or cycling to burn calories and promote fat loss. Strength training. Include strength training exercises to build muscle, which can help increase your resting metabolic rate and improve fat burning. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Incorporate HIIT workouts to maximize calorie burn and increase your metabolic rate, even after the workout is done. Core exercises. While spot reduction isn't highly effective, strengthening your core muscles can contribute to a toned appearance. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, leading to weight gain. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor your meals to prevent overeating. Fiber-rich foods. Incorporate foods high in soluble fiber, like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber helps you feel full and can aid in weight management. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats can help keep you satisfied and support overall health. Limit sugar and alcohol. Minimize your intake of sugary beverages, desserts, and excess alcohol, as they can contribute to belly fat accumulation. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Develop healthy habits and stick with them over the long term for sustainable results. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.